Hello, it's Grace from Webbers in Braunton, and today I want to talk to you about your holiday let property and some recent changes that took effect in October 2023. If you long-term let your property, these changes will not apply to you. But if you holiday let, whether it's through an agent or through Airbnb, then these changes are already in place, and you should now have a fire risk assessment carried out on your property. I've spoken to the West of England Fire Protection, who have suggested a price of between £250 and £300 for a standard fire risk assessment on a 3-bedroom property. So that will be an increased charge if there's any additional bedrooms, any outbuildings, or anything extra such as a thatched roof that needs to be checked. In addition to this, you should now have emergency lighting on the fire escape routes, hardwired fire alarms and fire doors on the emergency exits, which could be quite costly for you if you have an older property with unusual shaped or sized doors. All of these changes come into place at the same time that it's expected that 64% of people will choose to travel abroad next year, and if you watched the video by our Head of Lettings Lawrence Williams earlier today, you'll know a bit more about this. It might interest you to know that in 2023, the average rent price for a long-term let property in the southwest was £1,141. So you could get a bit more than you'd expect if you chose to long-term let your property this year. In addition to this, your long-term tenant would be responsible for the general cleaning and garden maintenance of the property and for the utility bills. If you'd like any more information with regards to long-term letting your property, you can give us a call on 01271 812 263, send an email to grace.harper@webbers.co.uk, or go on our website and download our landlord guide.